So actually I was unable to provide videos for some days, sorry for that. So let us solve the next question. The next question number 1.7, NCERT class 11 physics. Okay, so in this question what is told, listen to the question carefully. See, a student measures the thickness of a human hair, okay, by looking at it through a microscope of magnification 100. Okay, so what it's telling, a student is measuring a human hair with the help of a microscope. Okay, the microscope has a magnification of 100. Now he makes 20 observations and finds that the average width of the hair in the field of view of the microscope is 3.5 millimeter. Okay, so what's the estimate on the thickness of hair? So I think you have understood the question. So let me explain the question again. So what we know, the thickness of hair is very small, isn't it? So the student cannot measure the thickness of hair directly without help of any instrument. So what he has taken? He has taken the help of a microscope, and the microscope has a magnification of 100, isn't it? Now he has made 20 observations and he has taken the average of the 20 observations. So after taking the average, he has found that the average reading is 3.5 millimeter. Okay, now what is the actual thickness of the hair? This is the question. Now you can see carefully that here the data 20 observations it is given. So this is meaningless because already he has taken the average of these 20 observations and he has found that the reading is 3.5 mm. So now the question can be reframed as, a student has measured 3.5 mm with a microscope having magnification of 100. Okay, the data 20 is at all not required here. Now what is the actual reading of the microscope? Now you see, let me solve this question. So the magnification is how much? The magnification is 20. Magnification is 20. Okay, and the reading, what is the reading? The reading is something what he has observed, isn't it? So he has observed reading which is 100 times multiplied by the actual reading. So it seems to the student that the hair is thicker. Okay, so the students think that the hair is thicker, but the actual thickness is something different. However, the students see that the thickness is 3.5 mm. So the reading is 3.5 mm here as measured by the microscope. Now actual reading will be what, you tell me? Actual reading definitely it will be what? If actual reading is x, so let us say actual reading is x. So what students see? The student has used a microscope with a magnification of 100. So microscope show 100 times of the actual reading. So the student has seen that the reading, so therefore the reading should be 100 into x. So the reading definitely equal to 100 into x. Okay, so this is nothing but this 3.5 mm. Therefore what is x? X is equal to 3.5 divided by 100, which is equal to 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 millimeter. Okay, now let us see. Now in the question you see 3.5, this 3.5 has two significant figures, 100 has only one significant figure which is 1, but in the question they have not told us to take care of the significant figure, isn't it? So definitely the answer will be 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 millimeter. Okay, hope you understood.